So when Joe's making his way down there, the race order is Rob 1, Chuck 2, Walter 3, Ryan 4, Reed in 5, and Jim in 6. Looks good? Alright. Y'all gonna be going on the cone in less than 5. Stadium truck. Race is definitely not won in the first lap. Truck plays it safe and rolls a double. I don't see too many people all racing do that. It's nice to see. But right now, 2 laps in, I got Rob to the top. Chuck in 2, Ryan 3, Reed 4, Walter 5, and Jim in 6. Right now we have Bartlecast in P6. Then we have a P7 in 2. We have an X-Ray in 3. Joe McHugh, no car, which I think is a Bartlecast in 4. Uh-oh. You okay? Right now, Rob's trying to come around and put Jim a lap down. He's got a lot of room between him and second place. After this, we have my novice drivers. I see one of you out there corner marking. Nice to see. Thank you for helping again, Talon. So right now, the leader is Rob 1, Chuck 2, Ryan 3, Walter 4, Reed 5, and Jim in 6. Caution coming on straight, caution coming on straight, caution coming on the straight, caution coming on the straight, caution coming on the straight. His old brother can't quarter marshal him. Uh-oh, you good? I was going to say, just Trevor, watch out for that cross speed. Uh-oh, he's out. Okay. Well, please. Right now, Chuck and Ryan is a close down track. 1.3 seconds separating. That is second and third. Right now, Rob has a 7.5 second lead on Chuck. Chuck has a 1.9 second lead on Ryan. Ryan has an 11 second lead on Reed. Reed has an 8.9 second lead on Jim. And Walter's out due to what might be a servo horn. Rob laid down a fast lap of 15.585. Catch up. I mean, we got first place ready to put third place a lap down. 2:30 remaining, 3.5 minutes gone. Rob's like, then you're like, I'm gonna overjump you. Get out of the way, Ryan. I'm coming through.
Don't take it, Ryan, don't take it.
Did somebody yelled out that Ryan's pulling hard? Caution after big double. Clear. And right now, Chuck only hope was Jim the block for him, and that didn't happen. Now Rob's going to try to pass second place. He's putting his trademark stamp on this race. We got 145 remaining. Rob's like, you know, I like trophies. Yep. Right now, the closest battle on the track is but that's almost 9 seconds. All right, coming down those 5, just over a minute left. All right, it's the final minute of racing now. Thirty-five seconds remaining. Right now, there's no battles on the track. Everybody's on their own. Right now, it's Robin 1, Chuck 2, Ryan 3, Reed 4, Jim and 5. Up next, my novice. Like I said, get your cards ready. All right, cross the line and you are done. Right down is done. We're almost done. Here comes Chuck. Done. Here comes Reed. Jim still to finish. All right, everybody's done. So they have Rob followed by Chuck, Ryan,